How to fix Instagram video filter not working. If any day you see a problem like this, do not worry, as we have got the perfect solution for this. In order to solve this problem, first of all, you have to check whether you are connected to a stable internet connection or not. And it may be a Wi-Fi connection or it may also be your data connection. So if you're connected to a Wi-Fi connection, just go to the up section out here and go to the Wi-Fi section in your mobile device. And after you tap on that, you will see the option of this very screen as shown here. And after that, you have to check whether the internet connection is stable internet connection or not. Mine is stable, so after you do this, you have to go back and you have to go to the section of the Play Store on your device. Now just close this very section and go to the section of Play Store. Just tap on the section of Play Store and you will see an interface like this. Now in the search section of Play Store, you have to search Instagram out there, and after you search the option of Instagram, you will see an interface like this. Now just tap on the Instagram and check whether there is any updates available or not. If there is any updates available, just update your Instagram, otherwise your problem will be solved.
Thank you for watching the video, and if you like our video, do not forget to subscribe our channel.